Weather forecast change.
It said really gusty winds and heavy rain.
What did you think you were going to blow away? I remember. This is the Wales we all know and love. Let's not kid ourselves about our sunshine. This is Wales. North Wales.
The rain comes.
This is what it is.
We were prepared for today though, because we just knew we had 2 really lovely days, and on the weather forecast it said it would be pants today.
That's alright though, isn't it? It's alright. Said I'd show you a good time. So we're about 6 miles into the walk, Liz. How you feeling? 6 miles in. Look how far away the campsite is. We ain't got the shoes, Liz. Have a look at this. You could what?
I haven't got any water. Everyone else has got
fucking water. You can pick your hands out. Get a drink.
But no, I've only got a backpack. Everyone who walks has
So we've got about 600 yards. We can't walk on this, so we're going to ruin our...
I want to find a pub.
I don't have breakfast.
That's what I want to
For a
find.
Google pub.
Someone walk.
It's about like 10 minutes in. Look at the place. I just said, what? Oh, no, we're not walkers. So I've got a motorbike. Certain breed of people do walking. We hate walking. I used to get on my chopper to go to Tesco's. It's about 100 yards. We don't walk. What the fuck are we doing? Walking down to the lake. Lisa held back. She tried to come down. What are you doing? What held you back? And she said, the sign.
Breeding sign. Let's go to the top.
It ain't Australia, is it? That was our epic North Wales walk. That's the new hike. We'll put the map up in the description. It's a good 40 minutes, I reckon, isn't it?
I think we were actually.
I reckon it's a 40-minute hike, so aim for the faint-hearted. But if you've got the grit and stamina to do a 40-minute walk, like the best of us bikers, we'll put a link in description. It's got to be around a K, probably 1.5K. Yeah, go for it.
So turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind. Simmer down, settle back and mess around. Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone. Be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun. Stretch out, lean back, be the cat. Stretch out, lean back, be the cat.
So we just walked in the pub and because it's Sunday, thought we'd get Sunday roast, asked for a Sunday roast. To be informed, it's Monday. Both of us didn't know, not great. All day we've been planning like it's Sunday. Steak sandwich, eh? It's not a roast, is it? It's not Sunday. Why did we both think it was Sunday? I'm not hungry at all, but sticky toffee pudding, butterscotch sauce, clotted cream, candied walnuts. What you got?
Sticky toffee pudding, clotted cream, butterscotch
Ridiculous.
sauce. That was so nice.
It was lovely, wasn't it?
Really, really nice.
Let's go over the Sunday incident. What happened? How did we both think it was Sunday?
I just think we went into a time warp where we got, with the whole rain day, it just felt like a very unusual day.
So clarify what happened. We walked in that pub. We've been
We've been looking for a place to have Sunday lunch for the last hour. We thought that would be a great idea. And we both agreed. Walked in, she gave me the menu and said we are really busy. Thought classic Sunday. But if you could just order really quickly. So I said, yeah, that's not a problem, I can do that. Had a look at the menu, but she didn't see any roast dinners, and I thought that's a bit unusual. So we went and asked her and said, do you do a Sunday roast? And she said, we do on Sunday, but that was yesterday.
So yeah, yesterday we had a whole day of rain, but we had nowhere to be. We had no plans. It's again why we don't book campsites or book anything. We didn't have anywhere to be. If you had to be at a hotel in South Wales the next day, you got to drive through all that rain. We didn't have to drive through the rain. I just take Tuesday off work. I just rung my brother, and since I've got a great brother, he just said, "Yeah, go for it. Have another day holiday. Have another day holiday, mate. You enjoy it. You deserve it," he said. But yeah, we spent the whole day. It was nice. I don't really relax much. I'm not a relaxy type person, so having a day of rain, I was forced to relax. except for the moment of madness that I thought having a walk would be nice. Do not know why I thought that, because it ain't me, babe. It ain't me, babe. But for a moment of madness, I thought having a walk would be nice. It weren't. Lovely roads. The way you move, I'll make you sweat, gonna make you groove.
I don't have to ride. I'll tell you what, that's worse than any hairpins we've ever done in Switzerland. I think they're coming back down now. I think they're a bit scared.
I'll jump on. That was so steep.
Well, okay, it's worse than any Swiss path we've ever done.
Never done anything that steep in my life.
Oh, well done you.
go forward now. Cheers. Thanks. I'm bored of these now.
you ask yourself, how does all this get on the motorcycle? Places he takes me. We'll go down here, look. It's not really a pathway, is it? Some stinging nettles here.
Said I left a rich man, I come home so broke. I thought the mountain killed me, but I died when I got your note. Up the river,